Tonight we are bringing an all-new SUV to the Chevrolet showroom. One that will have exceptional functionality, a truly, and I mean truly, dramatic design, and dynamic ride and handling, and it's all wrapped up in an iconic Chevrolet name. Let me show you what I mean. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly proud to present to you the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Blazer. This is, I'm sure you'll agree, this is an absolutely awesome looking vehicle. The Blazer lineup will feature two up-level models that you can see here, the RS and the Premier. Under the hood, the standard 2.5-liter engine will be available, and a 3.6-liter will be mated with Chevrolet's seamless 9-speed transmission. And Blazer will tow confidently with an expected 4,500 pounds of max capacity. Blazer provides seamless connectivity, intuitive controls, and truly a host of convenience features which really lead the industry. 4G LTE Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, wireless charging, and a standard 8-inch color touchscreen display.
I am thrilled to be here to represent the team that brought this new Blazer to life. Our goal was to deliver attention-grabbing style with the versatility and convenience of an SUV that also showed a natural progression of the Chevrolet design language. The front end features a strong grille, an athletic hood, high-mounted LED daytime running lamps, and low-mounted, high-intensity discharge headlamps for an aggressive look. Overall, the proportions are lower, shorter, and wider than the competition to reinforce that powerful look with an agile ride, with no compromise on interior space. With such a dynamic design, the right powertrains, and all the comfort and convenience features, the Blazer will be the perfect addition to the Chevrolet crossover SUV lineup when it arrives in dealerships early next year.